guys, it's your girl, We're Secrets, coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, tell another friend, tell your mama and Neil, because Liddy over here. Whew, I'm out of breath. Them stairs take your girl out every time. So when I be asking y'all what kind of content y'all want to see, y'all say y'all want to see more of the nails. Y'all love the bags and stuff, but y'all want to see the nails. So it's time to take these off. It really is. My nails is growing crooked under here, and I keep cutting them under here, but when they do grow, they're growing crooked. They're crooked. So what we're going to do, we're going to soak these off. So I want to show you how to soak them off. So I bought these. Where I bought these from? These wasn't from Temu. Or was they from Temu when I first started? Or did I get these from Amazon? I don't know, but you can get these from like anywhere that sell nail products. It's good to get two, because if you get one, you're going to be waiting all day. So basically, you fill the inside part with hot water, not boiling water. All you gotta do is turn on your hot water faucet for a couple of seconds, let it get hot enough, put it in there, and then hold on. Ooh, my ear is itching. And then I only got this little bit of acetone, so we're gonna make it do what it do. So I'm gonna show y'all how I do this, how I do my nails. So y'all see underneath, y'all see where my nails start right here. So I try to, I actually purchased these from Amazon. They're like these little nail nipper things. If y'all hear anything in the back, y'all hear it. That's my mom and my brother. So I try to get to as close to my actual nails possible, but not too close. And I nip them. Hopefully this don't take forever to soak off. And I like these because they, like, no matter how thick the acrylic might be, like, these aren't too thick, but they'll get the job done. Like, they'll get to where it needs to get to. And that's the nail that I just repaired, that had broke. But I figured it's time to take these off. Uh-oh. Right, there we go. Y'all see my nails? Even with short nails, they don't look right because I have fat, stubby hands. But anyway. So you want to take your acetone. Oh, I hope I got enough. Make it enough. Ain't that what Smokey Mama said? You're going to pour it in each of these little finger things that you're going to put your fingers in. Okay. Usually I'll be having more acetone than this, but child, I've been in my zone. So basically, you soak them. And sometimes people drill to get the drill down or the acrylic down as much as possible. I really don't feel like doing all of that. So we're just gonna sit. And that's how you do a soak off, and you just soak them. That's why people really probably hate, well, I know a lot of people hate soak offs. So people are like, why don't you just do a fresh set every time? Because soak offs are so time consuming. Like, you have to sit here like this. Either you do this or do the one where they soak the cotton ball and then put the cotton ball on top of your nail and then wrap your nail in aluminum foil. They do it that way, or the drill method, or some people just pop their nails off. Don't do that. That's not healthy. Your whole nail can come off. But yeah, so this is the waiting game. So we're just going to soak them. We're soaking them. Yeah. So it was, oh my goodness, I was supposed to do a soak off on my birthday, because I done had this set on for a little minute. Like, I be having my, as long as there's no compromised nails, y'all, I be wearing my sets for a minute. Now, if I got to repair one, that's fine. Or, you know, some of that nature or something like that. Or if I'm nursing a nail back to health because it didn't took my nail off too, that's different. But a lot of times I wear my my sets for a minute, and some people might say, oh, that's nasty, germs and stuff like that. You're gonna have, your body has, you're gonna have good germs and bad germs. You learned that in health class. And regardless if you get a fill-in or a new set, like as long as you have good hand hygiene, there should be no problem. Like people are like, well, that's just the most nastiest. And as you can see, the acetone is eating away at the polish. People say that's nasty and stuff like that. Like, no, because when I wash my hands, I use a nail brush to get up under my nails. You know, people like, you be having stuff under your nails and stuff. No, like, come on now, I'm in my 30s. I think I know how to use the bathroom correctly, and bathe and wipe and wash myself and all that stuff. So I'm not gonna have fecal stuff and food and stuff under my nails. Like, no. Now when I'm eating cute, I ain't gonna get food under my nails. But if I'm like eating chicken and stuff like that, yeah, I'm gonna get sauce under my nails. And what do I do when I'm done? Wash my hands. So people just be doing the most. And my brother is so loud. So y'all, I will show y'all the end results when I come back, because this is about to take some time. This is about to be a all-nighter situation, because I'm not going to walk around with nubs, with no nails, because y'all know I'm about to put these boys right back on. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye. Alright, y'all, so I just wanted to show y'all the progress. I'm not keeping time, so I don't even know what time it is. But when you let them soak, every so often you have to peel the acrylic off with this little thingamajigger. I don't know what this, I think it's like a cuticle pusher, but people usually use this to scrape off the acrylic, and it's just coming off. It shouldn't be too much longer. Let me see something. So yeah, I'm just letting them soak off. And you put the hot water in here because it helps with the acetone to kind of warm up the acetone and like soak it off a little bit quicker. That's just the same way as people using the cotton ball method. You wrapping your finger with aluminum is heating that aluminum up to get it done quicker. That's why they use aluminum foil when people are bleaching their hair. Heats up that bleach, to lift the color faster. So basically that's what that's doing, is lifting this acrylic up faster, but it is still going to take some time depending on how thick your acrylic is. Me, I typically do my acrylic thicker, on the thicker side, because of my job. Like, I'm constantly on a computer and tapping and clicking on stuff, so I need my nails to withhold, like, how rough I am with my hands and daily tasks and just doing my job. So that's why my acrylic is thicker. So I would say if you're hard on nails and your job, depending on your job and stuff like that, I would advise you to get thicker acrylic. Sometimes I see people's nails and I'll be like, oh, they nails, their acrylic, their nails be cute, but the acrylic be so thin. I just be like, oh, one bump and whew, your whole nail up out of there. So that's what I always advise people to get thicker acrylic. And it's basically just a waiting game, just sitting here waiting for this stuff to melt off and stuff. And every so often just peeling this stuff off. And y'all, even when my nails cut like this, it's hard for me to pick up stuff because it's like I'm not used to having like, these are my nails. This short length is basically my nails, just with an overlay of acrylic on it. Like, if I wanted to, I could just do it acrylic over my nails, but I don't want to because they're not long enough. So yeah, so I wanted to come on here and basically explain the purpose of the hot water. Do not put boiling water in there. I do not want nobody burning themselves. So yeah, alright y'all, I'll try to come back once the nails are fully off. Alright y'all, this is the finished product. It's still like some acrylic on there, so I think I might drill the rest off because it's literally like just a little bit, or I might soak them. But yeah, y'all, these are my nails, my real nails. People like, what do your real nails look like? When I because I hadn't cut them under my nails in a minute, because they grow. My nails grow like wildfire. Like, if you want your nails to grow, well, no, I'm not even gonna recommend people use acrylic, because then you have to keep using it. And but yeah, if you don't mind using acrylic, if you're trying to start, to do the overlay, wearing acrylic will get your nails sprouting, baby. They will sprout. So these are my real nails, and of course I'm going to cut these off when I do my new set. New set is loading, so I definitely will come up on here and let y'all know the process, because y'all wanted to see more nails, so we're going to show more nails. So yeah, y'all, soak off. This is my nails. I'm going to drill the rest off. I might soak some more off. I might soak them for about 15-20 more minutes, because it's like some of them is like stuck on the top part, the acrylic. And then I'll come back, and then I'm gonna drill them and cut them, and then I'll come back, and then we're gonna do our full set. See ya.